Hello, my name's Fazzy here at the Volkswagen Van Centre in Birmingham, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Today we're looking at this approved used Volkswagen Transporter 4-berth all-seasons leisure camper van. This van comes in the lovely Fortana Red colour, finished in metallic paint, and features a 2.0 TDI diesel engine pushing out 150 PS. The van also comes fitted with a DSG Automatic gearbox and comes with only delivery miles on the vehicle. This van comes with the LVR BodyKit, including an exterior black pack. The van also comes with a front splitter finished in high gloss black. The van sits on 20-inch high gloss black alloys which come in a multi-spoke design. The van also comes with black side styling bars. This vehicle also comes fitted with a pop-up roof which has the roof bellows painted in a black colour. Dotted along the rear bumper is a set of rear parking sensors which allow you to make every parking manoeuvre with confidence. The van comes with a tailgate, behind which is a spacious boot area, complete with a few different cupboards. There is also an outlet for the outdoor shower, and just beneath is the cabinet or cupboard where you can store your gas tank. Above this is a push-pop button which will reveal some storage area, along with a few of the maintenance systems. A look from the single sliding door located on the passenger side of the vehicle. The rear bench is finished in a leather and comes in a pebble grey colour. There are an excellent set of creature comforts such as this wireless charger along with two 3-pin outlets, a colour touchscreen for operating the lights, as well as a smart monitor for operating the heater and airflow inside the vehicle. The van comes with a twin hob burner, and located underneath this is a Dometic grill and cooker. Over to the left hand side there is a Webasto 49 litre sliding drawer and a fridge freezer. Above this is a stainless steel sink which features a deeper format, complete with a chopping board. Taking a look now at the rear passenger bench, once the sleeping position has been deployed, provides excellent leg space as well as head height. Up front in the cab there are two single seats which can swivel from the factory, and again these are finished in the lovely leather in a pebble grey colour with some red stitching emblems. There are also some creature comforts up front such as this 12V and two USB-C outlets. Front passenger and driver have access to the 6.5-inch colour touchscreen multimedia system, and the driver has access to a 3-spoke multifunction leather finished steering wheel. This vehicle comes with a minimum 1-year manufacturer's warranty and 1 year's roadside assistance. For any further information you can inquire online or call us on 0121 514 0632. Thank you very much for watching, and goodbye.